Look at how it came out. Taste test. So today's ingredients are going to be, I put avocado, cilantro, tomato, cucumber, lime, and some serranos for that spice. And I usually use the uncooked shrimp, but today, I had purchased the cooked shrimp, so we'll see how it comes out. Should be good. So first I'm going to start by chopping up the shrimp. It's already been peeled off. That's the nice thing about this bag. I just rinsed it, so that's easy as well. And I like to get them chopped real small. We'll show you first size right here. I just bought my first chef's knife recently. You've seen it right here. Oh man, best decision I ever made. It was love at first cut. Get it? Get it? So probably about that size. Now I like it pretty small, and then it makes it easier to get coated in the lime when it's uncooked. This is cooked shrimp, so that's a little different, but same idea. So I'm gonna chop this all up and throw it in the bowl right here. Alrighty, so with all the shrimp chopped up now, we're gonna get the lime juice going. The most important parts about the ceviche. Trying to make sure that we give it enough time to cook if it was uncooked. I like to think that you want to fill it over the line. If you don't have time to be mixing it throughout the day, maybe you have to go to work. You just want to make sure that everything's coated in lime juice. If not, then if you got some time, then you can continue to turn it throughout the day. I usually take 3 to 4 hours to let it sit and cure. The way I cut limes, I think I've shared this already, but I'll share it again. I don't go right down the middle. I go down the sides. And then you'll see that the fibers are exposed, and it makes it real easy to squeeze all the juice out real easy. I've been thinking about doing a test to see if it really does give you more juice or not. I just enjoy how easy it is instead of having to squeeze a whole half of a lime. Right down the side again. Beautiful. And then this stuff I'll cut again one more time. Middle. And then this one, sometimes I'll eat it, sometimes I'll give it a little ring like that, and then we get all the lime juice out. And I'll do that for the rest of them. We're gonna end up using about that's 1, 2, 3, 11 limes. Hopefully that's enough. So I got one lemon left. I ended up using 10. You can see how much juice is in there, practically covering it all. Put a little bit of salt, and that'll help it finish curing. This one, though, is not going to go to waste. Can you guess what I'm going to use it for? So I wish I could give you like an exact amount of salt that I put in. I know if you put too much, it's going to be too salty. So just go until you feel it's enough. And that seems like a lot, but give it a nice little mix, the lemon and the lime, be nice. So if this was uncooked, it would be gray right now, and then this would just be going into the fridge. I like to get it started in the fridge so it stays cool, fresh, and then we can start cutting the veggies right there. Bam. So you may be wondering, what am I gonna do with that lime? I think it's Modelo time, fool. See if I'm manly enough to pop it with the quote-unquote leverage. Oh my gosh, I did it! First time I have ever done that in my life. Wow, that was wild. And then why not throw a little piece of lime in there? Bam, cut that in half. Beautiful, give it a little squeeze. Oh no, the drips are not going in there. Beautiful, and shove her in there. Beautiful. Salud. Clink. Alright, so we're going to chop up the cilantro to add into the ceviche that's in the fridge right now. Nice sharp knife. Beautiful. I'm using half the bundle right here. Real quick and easy. I actually enjoy cilantro, so I'm probably going to go with the whole bunch. Not the bottom part where all the stems at. That can stay off. But that right there is what we're looking for. So I'll get ready to put this to the side, and then we'll cut up the serranos, and then I'm going to shave the cucumber. But I don't have a pele papa, so that's going to be kind of fun with the knife. We'll see how that goes. So I'll chop up the serranos in really small pieces. You don't want a big chunk like landing in your mouth when you're eating on your tostada. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh man, this feels dangerous. No, I don't like this idea. There we go. I'll just follow that line down. And there you go. One way to do it. And right in the half right there. Beautiful. Look at those seeds, all that spice right there. It's gonna be, oh gosh. Now I gotta make sure I don't touch my face with that hand. Otherwise we'll have problems a little later in the bathroom, if you know what I mean. Alright, let's line these bad boys up. Just turn them real small. I feel like the habaneros were a little easier to chop for some reason. But these aren't too bad either. Definitely smell spicy. Only two. Woo! Yeah, that smells like it's gonna be a nice cake. Cool. Did that go in? Put that to the side. Beautiful. And then, so a tip for your cucumber is not to put the inside of it. You want it to be kind of fresh and crunchy. The inside of the cucumber is too chewy. I taught that from a friend's mom. Hashtag see, we're gonna scoop that out right now with the spoon right there. And then we'll throw this all together in a minute. So the same thing that we did with the cucumbers where we cored out the soft stuff in the middle, we want to do the same thing with our tomatoes. So we'll get that going right now. I don't think I'm going to end up showing you guys that part. Anyway, just because, maybe, I don't know. Cut it in half. Bam. A lot easier to cut a core out than the other pieces. Actually, not too much soft stuff in there this time. Alrighty, so pulled out the shrimp again. You can see, oh, it feels cold already. It's already cooked. Otherwise, you can start to see the color change if it was uncooked in the gray one. So you'd already start to see some of the pink coming out. And now we'll add up, throw in the tomato, the cilantro, and the cucumber that we just chopped up right there. And then we'll give that a nice little mix going right now. Oh yeah. Now it's all nice and mixed. Put a little bit more salt in there because that veggie's definitely going to need it to sweat it out. Alrighty, and a little bit of pepper. Can't go wrong with pepper. If you did not know, this is a pretty cool trick I learned. See how like you have to shake the pepper to come out? But if you get the other pepper and grind it on top, it comes out nice and easy. Nice little trick. This is going to go back in the fridge for 3 hours. Or, yeah, 3-4 hours should be good. Alright guys, so all we got left is I like to throw in avocado pieces into the ceviche. I'll throw that in about like an hour. Yet again, you could be like, what am I going to do for a whole hour, Chris? I got you. Watch more of my videos. Give me a like. Subscribe. Watch all the rest of my videos. I appreciate it. We'll flip to that in just a second. And I appreciate it, guys. Enjoy. And last but not least, put in the avocado inside. You can put it on after on your tostada if you like. I like it inside. It makes things a lot easier. You don't have to worry about cutting it. Worry about the presentation. Just throw it in there. I like when the lime juice, it turns green because of the avocado. I like that as well. And the lime juice keeps it fresh and green instead of turning brown. So chop that up real quick and then let it sit for another hour or so and then we're good to go. Look at how it came out. Taste test. Let's see, let's see. Rockstar. Amazing.